Hello everyone and welcome to Country Know-How. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade washing powders. For this project you will need 3 4-ounce bars of regular hand soap. You will also need some Arm & Hammer baking soda or Arm & Hammer washing soda. You will also need some 20 Mule Team borax. So stick around and thanks. First of all, what you're going to need to do is you're just going to simply take your, of course, take your bar soap out of the package. Like I say, you're going to need 3 bars. They're going to be 4-ounce bars, total of 12 ounces. Some people show using a bar soap. I cannot really pronounce the name of it. It's found in the laundry detergent department, but I would not recommend using it because it will cause your washing powders to come out smelling like Bengay, and don't think you'll want to smell something like that in your clothes. So therefore I'm going to recommend just regular soap that you would use when you're just washing up. Works just as well. First thing you're going to do, and this will not take a really long time, you're just going to simply take your bar soap and a regular shredder here, like you would shred up cabbage with, and you're just going to shred up your bars of soap. Now, the nice thing about making washer powders this way is it doesn't take a whole lot of time, and I can get around 21 to 23 heavy large loads out of a batch of this, and a batch of it costs around $3.50. So it saves you a good bit of money that way, especially if you have a big family and you're having to wash quite a few clothes. You can make this in as much as you want at a time and store it in a large container. Maybe make up enough to do you a month at a time, and get some of the family members involved in helping you get it done. A large amount of it probably wouldn't take more than 30 or 40 minutes to make a month's worth of it, and not even that. Probably if you have a couple of people, get the kids involved and help you do it, give them something to do, and they'll be able to learn as they go how to save money when they're grown and have families. Because these times, you got to save as much as you can, any way you can on money. As you can see, this is not taking a whole lot of time to do, and so going to get it all shredded up, and I'll have 3 bars. I'm going to skip through the video here and go ahead and get these all made up, and then I'll come back and go for the rest of the project. Okay, now that I've gotten all the bar soap shredded up into small pieces, you can see it's just shredded up pieces of bar soap in this large bowl. You want to pick you a good large bowl so you can mix it up real easy, not have it go all over the place. Of course, there's soap all over it, so it'd be really easy to clean up. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure up 2 cups of the 20 Mule Team borax. You'll find this in the laundry detergent department along with the baking soda. So we'll get 2 of these. In there. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of the Arm & Hammer baking soda, or you can, if you can find the washing soda, I haven't been able to find it anywhere, but this is just simply pure baking soda. It's also in the laundry detergent department at Walmart and other places. Now, I'm going to add that in there. That's 2 cups of it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is just take my hands and just mix it around like this, and get it kind of mixed in together a little bit, just to help me whenever I go to do the next step, and it be mixed up. Just a little bit more. All right. Now, next thing I'm going to do is move some of the things out of the way. Now, next thing I'm going to do is going to take my food processor, and excuse me for a moment, I'll plug it up. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my food processor, and I'm going to add just a little bit of this at a time into the food processor. You probably, with this size of food processor, I can do about half of the batch at a time, and I'm going to just put as much as I can fit in here. Of course, if you have a larger food processor, it'll work real well. Make it a little bit less time consuming, but not. This whole project doesn't take very long at all. For this much, probably 15 or 20 minutes, you can have it all done up. I'm just going to put this on, and let's start the process up. Run it about 30 seconds or so, just long enough to grind it into it. Just a good fine powder, like, you know, sort of like cornmeal. It'll have a consistency of about cornmeal. So I'm going to pull this out and get to the next, the other half of this batch that I'm making up. And I've got a bowl here, so you can see I don't have a lot of room to show you. Just pouring it into this bowl for the moment, or you can just put it straight into the container. I just don't happen to have the container available right this second that I normally use. Got in a hurry setting up to do this video and forgot to do that. I also forgot to put this on here, so I'll put that in there, and it'll store it good. So I'll go ahead and pour the rest of this into the food processor. Put the top on, place, run it for about 30 out. So this is the last of what I'm going to do. Dump it in there. My bowl. And I'll show you, you can see the size of the bowl and how much I came out with. Like I said, I can get around 21 to 23 loads, so quite a bit out of this. and you can give a good idea here of the consistency it'll be when you're done. It's, like I say, about like cornmeal, and it works really good. You want to put about 1/4 cup for large loaves and about 1/8 cup for like real small loaves. About 1/8 cup will do. And you know, I've used this with all different kinds of cloves. It doesn't seem to hurt it. So you know, it's just, the ingredients are not, that I know of, anything harmful. You know, and it's of course not going to hurt your hands. Just soap and other things that are normally put into laundry detergent. So anyway, good luck with your project. If you want to try doing this, hopefully it'll help you out. Thanks for watching.